welcome in to another woolly review. It's so fuzzy. It's King Cole Tinsel Chunky. Now this is new to me and I'm quite looking forward to doing this. It's an eyelash yarn. This is in white, but we're not here to review the colour. We're not here to review what I do with it, but actually to review it itself. So this is Tinsel Chunky. It's 50 grams, 75% polyester, 25% Lurex, and 70 meters, 79.5 yards roughly. So I'm going to put this absolutely nowhere because there's no hole. Ah! Okay, that's going to be interesting. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, so sparkly. Pick up my custom hook from Jelena, who is the artist. Her Etsy shop is down below. She can make hooks to your design. People, animals, plants, Disney characters, your choice. Now, I've never worked with eyelash yarn before. I'm sure there's an etiquette for it. I certainly won't have it, but I'm giving it a go. All for you. And remember, it's not the technique that I'm using, it's how I feel personally about it and about the feeling of it, etc. Let's just take a look at that just for a moment. It's not like you can see the stitches, so stitch definition, null and void. But I think with a little bit of manipulation, you get more fuzz. Now, this is a problem because I don't know where my stitch is. There it is. I think. I'm guessing it's that one. This is going to be a pain to frog, I'm throwing out there. I found this the cheapest at the Wool Factory for £2.25 for the 50 gram ball, and an absolute huge array of colours. Now, almost certainly you wouldn't want to make an item of clothing out of this, but to use it as a trim, or maybe in amigurumi as fur, or even as decorative ornaments, etc. Heck yeah. So stay. Let's see what it does to frog. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh dear. Oh dear. Even with manipulation. See, I can't see where the knot is or anything because of the eyelash. So as expected, frogging is, well, frog with peril. It is beautifully soft. Not soft as in fur soft. It has got that little bit of grit in there, so I wouldn't want it next to my skin. But it is a little bit floofy. but what would I give it? Would I turn my back on it? For the right project, no. Would I be upset that that was the only fluffy, furry eyelash yarn left, and that's all I had? No. Would I be, you know what, that's all right, it's good, I like it? You know what? I'm going to do one of these again. I'm going to go with a half. 3.5 out of 5. It is nice and soft for the right project, for the right trim. I think it would work really, really well. Personally, I'd need a lot more practice with it, but it's soft, it's not scratchy. The frogging, of course, is an issue because of the amount of eyelash on the thing, but in small doses, this could work really, really well. So this is my rating. If you are up for watching more reviews each Thursday, please give a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe down below. And hopefully I will see you at the next review. Until then, take care. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.